Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off search suggestions in Google. So if you start typing into the Google search bar, you might see trending searches. And if you want to hide that in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So all you have to do is just select the settings button on the Google homepage here. So go ahead and select settings at the bottom right corner of the Google page, and then select search settings. Where it says autocomplete with trending searches include popular searches in your area. Go ahead and select do not show popular searches. And then once you're done with that, select the save button at the bottom of this page. So scroll down and select save. It says your preferences have been saved. Select OK. And it'll take you back to Google. And if you start typing, you will not see any trending results any longer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.